teach you how to grill chicken wings. We've got about 4 pounds of chicken wings here. We have to cut them up. We're getting rid of the end of the wing because it's not edible. Separate the drummies from the wing, just like so. So again, you can see where the joints are. You want to cut through the joints. You can kind of feel the soft spot. Like there's one right there. The next thing is to season the chicken wings with different spices. You definitely want to use sea salt, about a teaspoon, garlic powder if you like it, also about a teaspoon. Then you can use chili powder, paprika, or whatever seasonings that you like. You mix it up really well. The spices helps the chicken to be extra crispy. It helps to get the moisture out of the chicken wings. First step in grilling is to light the charcoal. Using a paper towel, some oil, doesn't matter which kind, and light it. Give it about 20 minutes until the charcoal is all white and the fire is out. It looks like the coal is pretty much done. We'll just pour it out right in the middle. We'll wait till the fire is completely out. But in the meantime, we can let the fire clean the grill grate. Use aluminum foil and tongs to clean the grill grates while it's hot. And then use paper towel and oil to coat the grill grates. Cook the chicken over indirect heat, so you just place the chicken wings near the coal, but not right over the coal, because you don't want the chicken wings to catch on fire. So we're gonna grill them over medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes, so we flipped all of them. The ones that are more charred, we move them to the cooler part of the grill away from coal, and the ones that are less charred, we move them closer to the coal. And we're gonna let them grill on the other side for a few minutes and then check on them again. We've been cooking them for 15 minutes so far. Most of them are evenly grilled on all sides, and you move all of them to the indirect heat so that you can go ahead and let them cook for another 10 minutes covered. It's been a total of 25 minutes grill time, so we're ready to take this off the grill. So now we're gonna baste them in barbecue sauce. You can either buy it at the store or you can make it your own. We'll put a link in the description for the homemade barbecue sauce.